strip with Kanen coffee, and I've got this Pasquini Livia G4 here. So this machine just came in for a tune-up. It was kind of spraying from the sides here, and so I replaced the gasket in the group head. Here's that old one, and I also replaced the screen here. Then I descaled the machine and back flushed the group head, deep cleaned the steam wand, cleaned the portafilter, and then just wiped down the whole machine, made sure everything is clean. So I'm just gonna pull a shot of espresso here for you. So this is just our test coffee. It's not perfectly calibrated to this machine, so we might not come out with the perfect shot, but we should still get something pretty good. I'm just going to stop it there. There you can see some crema, and then I'll show you that hot water. There you go, and the steam. Alright, that's about it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.